Watch this level for Bitcoin's reversal. Now, I've been telling you on the last update yesterday, I said that this is a crucial level for Bitcoin, and it is. If you look at the 4-hour chart and if you look at the daily chart, this level down here around 74,800 is a crucial level to hold. If that doesn't hold, which is, again, both the 4-hour and the daily low, we are going to see a lower price action. I do believe, however, it has to, and this is why this level that I'm going to explain to you just now is crucial to catch the reversal. If you don't know who I am, my name is 𝗏𝗏. I do these updates every single day. They are 5 minutes. Literally what I do is tell you what I'm doing with my own money and how I trade the market. And if you like this, well, join in, subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notifications on, and then we can hit 100,000 subscribers as soon as possible. We started with basically 32 not so long ago, so join in the community as well. I post my ideas like this one today morning at 9 o'clock. I actually posted and I said the lower time frame is cooked, but higher time frame looks great. The reason why I said that is because if I look at the uncertainty that's happening, and if I look at macro and all that stuff that I've been doing for the past 4 weeks, and it didn't really work because the market didn't care at all, I would be shorting. And I look at the lower time frame here, and what do I say? Always, if you are, if you're regular here, then pause the video, comment what I usually say. It is elevator down, stairs up. Every single time you want to be on the elevator. And if you look at the 15-minute chart, this is a freaking elevator down and staircase up. This should reject here. That's just unfortunately what the lower time frame tells me. But the higher time frame, I just cannot not long this, because if you look at this and you say, okay, well, this is actually the main reversal area here, came back to a 4-hour low down here and then created a new high. It's coming back again. In what way? Elevator up, staircase down. And that way we have to be on the elevator, meaning we have to long. So if you look at this, you look at the total market, if you look at all this, the lower time frame does not matter that much, but it is relevant. What is the level that I'm waiting for? The level is this. If this breaks, and there is a market structure shift here at 77,170, I have to open a hedge short. That's just what it is. It's going to be a scalp. Stop loss is going to be up here. But if this plays out and if this actually does reverse here, I hope it won't. But if it does, let me actually just take a step back. Guys, the way these are designed is that you have to come back every day, okay? So like, if it's a little bit foreign to you, you have a decision to make. Either you just leave, or you come back tomorrow and tomorrow and tomorrow, and you just start, consuming the content, and after a week, you will understand everything. But the basic idea here is that the actual high is up here. So the actual high, the 15-minute high, is 77,757, right? So if you look at this, the reversal should be confirmed by a high here in the 15-minute, maybe a retrace and then continuation higher. This is what I'm actually looking for. If you look at the hourly chart, this is almost the same scenario, So basically, I want to see a 77,757 breach, at least in the 15-minute up here, and then, so to say, confirm the reversal. Yes, we do have a rejection zone here, but this is what I would imagine happening. Now, if I go down onto the 15-minute chart, though, if I look at this, this is still a bearish order block, and that means that there is 3 consecutive down candles opposite way to the direction of the lower time frame trend, which means that if we see a rejection here, a lower low, which would be, let me just mark this here, which would come in at about 77,170. That would be an AMD, which is, if you don't know what that is, we have a video. We're gonna put it up here. But unfortunately, there is accumulation, manipulation, and then distribution. So this could potentially play out, taking all this liquidity, and then the reversal could happen. So what I'm gonna do, if there is a lower time frame, meaning 15-minute market structure shift here at 77,170, I am going to take a hedge short position. Stop loss is gonna be up here. Actually, I'm going to put it up all the way to the 15-minute. It's 0.8%, so like I'm probably going to risk like 1.5% on my account, and then go lower from there. I hope it does not happen, and what can also happen is that there's a 15-minute market structure, comes back 50 and then moves from there. I'll be more than happy if that happens, because that's basically a confirmed continuation, and we're looking at least a 5 to 8 to 10% move to the upside. So, but I want to hedge, because this can happen. I am eventually expecting sub 60,000. I'm eventually expecting this to turn around at some point. The question really is where it will turn around from. Will it turn around from here, or will it have another push here and then turn around from there? no one actually knows. My job is not to predict the market and have a crystal ball. My job is to trade the market, and this is how I actually do that. So ultimately, TLDR, I'm expecting higher. I want to see a breach above the 77,760-ish region. If that doesn't happen before there is a break below the 15-minute market structure, which is at 77,170, I am going to take a hedge short position here. Stop loss goes up here at 77,700. I'm going to share all this in the Telegram as well, so it's worth joining in. And then just take it from there. Take the liquidity. Probably go for 1 to 2 risk reward. Just this small move. I'm actually just looking at this 1.5% move down, and that's basically it. Guys, I actually posted in the community an amazing thing here. If you have not seen this is actually quite incredible. We had a trading competition where we got together afterwards with the winners in Madrid. We went to a Real Madrid game. We met Guti. He's like a La Liga legend, Real Madrid legend. We spent time with him beside Merge. We played airsoft, paintball. We had dinners. So if that's something that you want to participate in as well, there is a link in the description to Toobit. We are doing another competition very, very soon. All you need to do is sign up using our link and just simply trade. They are non-KYC, available worldwide. They are our partners here on the channel, so go and check them out. And otherwise, come back tomorrow for another one. Subscribe to the channel. Join in the community, because I'll be able to post there and keep you updated. And I will see you tomorrow. Hopefully, we're going to have this work out. Take care.